Hey guys, this is my bike check of my DK Siklon 2010. Starting off, you got the FBM double fister grips, fly bikes bar ends, PIF 2.0 handlebars, standard stem that came with it, standard forks, McNally fashionably light pegs, zero rims. These are just like stock Eastern rims. I got them off my friend. They're not the best. They're single wall. Kenda contact, front and back. The Siklon frame, standard. My big honkin' chain wheel. That thing's huge. I'm getting it done to a 25.9. McNally fashionably light pegs. This is the rim that actually came on my DK. I didn't change him. I just changed him for the front one. C303 rims. This is a KHE, I'm pretty sure. Half-link chain in blue. It rusted out a little. I have no brakes on it, and E-Clat platform pedals, DK seat, and that's pretty much it.